Alright, here's our video for Premium. Here's the front entrance to the store. We are going to be replacing the Cards, Games, and More and phone number with a larger Cards, Games, and More and in a different font. Here's the parking lot and shopping center we are in. The parking lot has ample parking for basically any large events, as there is a movie theater down at the end, so there's lots of parking. As we go into the front of the store, we are replacing both front door graphics. It will still have the We Welcome and the store hours. It'll be in a different font, but it's also going to be a half display going up the windows. Let's see what's in the windows. We do have some display product. It is going out, showing outside the window, so you don't see the backs of products. As we go in the store, we have our demo area. So we do a weekly game on the demo area. It looks like Small World is this week's game. We also have Magic demos, and these are all the top board games. Just got a new clock. Looks pretty cool. There is our event calendar. So it displays what we have going on every night. And then, so more board games. Fire extinguisher, have to be safe. And then next to that, we have what is going on in the store. Everything we do is branded with our logo. And then to the right, we have display cases. So we have some branded merchandise. And behind the counter, we have a curtain that hides what is below the counter. Then we have some Magic cards. We have these divided up as we're getting banners made for the bottom of the cases that will display what each section means. Our point of sale area. More Magic cards. These roll out, so easy access. Behind the counter, we have the other side of the product, so you don't see any backs of products on either side. We have our Magic area. So we have our recent stuff across the top, so that is all Theros. And then below that we have standard product, and then supplemental products, and all the rest of the older booster boxes we have, and other supplemental products. So as we walk around the store behind, we have some dice, games, and then the shelf we just put in. We have a freestanding dice rack. Our $3 rack that everything is labeled as $3 on it. In our island, we have some more board games and card games, all sectioned together. And as we get to the far wall, that's our miniatures wall. We have display cases and carrying cases for miniatures. We get into the Warhammer with paints right across from it, into more miniatures. With more paints next to that. And then we have our newly released items, or top sellers. Then we get into the WizKids D&D miniatures. Right next to the emergency exit. And right behind is the D&D books. With some more D&D miniatures, tiles, things like that. All right, and as we walk into the entranceway that is through here, we have a computer that customers can use. We have some art on display. We have 2 calendars up. One is, one screen is normally our gaming clock. The other screen is normally where we post pairings. Right below that is our LAN station. We are replacing all of our tables and adding more wainscoting. So the wainscoting will go across the bottom just like the back of the room, all the way up to that corner. We do have 1 table completed. Here is the table. It is made out of 2-inch wood. Made it myself. It is epoxy coated, so it will last forever. All of our chairs are matching. Here is our LAN station with some notes on it. We also do locker rentals, daily and monthly, for events. Our trash cans, another fire extinguisher. This is our back office area. Here is restrooms. Everything has signage. This is our ADA compliant restroom. So our theme for the store still pulls into the restrooms with the pallet wood and corrugated metal. We also have single-use antiperspirants. So if somebody feels a little sweaty, they can come in here, grab one. Don't have to be embarrassed. All right. So here we have a graphic that's going to be going on the side of here that's going to say snacks and sodas, as this is our snack machine. It currently has, since it only takes change available at register. And we have our soda machine. And we go into our family bathroom. This bathroom, washing your hands, is completely touchless. We have still the same corrugated metal, same theme, touchless sink, touchless soap, touchless hand dryer, and then we also have trash can and a baby changing station. Everything is labeled in multiple locations. Here's our auxiliary room. We haven't really done much with this room yet. We're going to be applying for grant to see about turning this into a courtyard theme. So right now we're using it for miniatures. We do have a large projector that we do use. It's great for displaying what's going on in the store. The local college here in town has a miniatures club that comes and meets here, so that is what that is right there. We have a photo booth. This is some closeout games. An extra display case that we are going to be removing. Some video games and claw machines, and here is one of our tables. So I built this table. It is epoxy, but you can see that it's pretty cool looking. And then as we make our way back to the front of the store, we have a hallway. We put some art in it from some Magic and some different games. Regional sketch from Warlord's Fury. Here is an office and an inventory room. And some more artwork. And we are back to the front of the store. Thank you.